Carlie, and this is my sister Casey. She's going to play her bass, and I'm going to play my acoustic guitar to the Hannah Montana song, Make Some Noise. 1, 2, 3. It's easy to feel like you're all alone, to feel like nobody knows the great that you are, the good that's inside you is trying so hard to break through. Baby, it's your time to lift up and fly. You won't know if you never try. I'll always there with you all of the way. You'll be fine. Don't let anyone tell you that you're not strong enough. Don't give up. There's nothing wrong with just being yourself. That's more than enough. Come on and raise your voice. Speak about it, make some noise, and sing, hey, hey. Make some noise, hey, hey, yeah. You want to be known, you want to be heard, for you know you are beautiful. You have so much to give, some change you want to live, so shout it out and let it all show. You have a diamond inside your heart, a light that shines bright as the stars. Don't be afraid to be all that you are. You'll be fine. Don't let anyone tell you that you're not strong enough. Don't give up. There's nothing wrong with just being yourself. That's more than enough. So come on and raise your voice. Speak about it, make some noise, and sing, hey, hey. Make some noise, hey, hey, yeah. You can't just sit back and watch the world change. What matters is what you have to say. There's no one else who can stand in your place. So come on, it's never too late. Maybe it's your time to lift up and fly. You won't know if you never try. Don't let anyone tell you that you're not strong enough. Don't give up. There's nothing wrong with just being yourself. That's more than enough. So come on and raise your voice. Speak about it, make some noise, and sing, hey, hey.